ఇంటర్మీడియట్ విద్యారంగంలో అగ్రగామి మన ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్. ఐఐటి, జేఈఈ అయినా, నీట్ అయినా తిరుగులేని విద్యా సంస్థ ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్.
Come to the next problem. Problem number 4. A circle passing through 1, 2 and cuts the circle x square plus y square is equal to 4 orthogonally. Then the locus of center. Then find the locus of center. Find the locus of the center. Circle passing through 1, 2. Let h comma k be the center. Let h comma k be the center. And as it was passing through 1, 2, this is h comma k. The radius is nothing but what? Root of h minus 1 whole square k minus 2 whole square. Whenever they intersect orthogonally, then angle between them is 90 degrees. Then you know the condition is d square is equal to r1 square plus r2 square. D square, d is the distance between the centers hk and 0, 0. H square plus k square. What is r1 square? H minus 1 whole square k minus 1 whole square. What is r2 square? That is 4. Expand the expression. H square plus k square, h square plus 1 minus 2h plus k square, 1, 2, this is 2, plus 4 minus 4k plus 4. See the cancellation if it is h square, k square, h square and k square cancel. Then it follows that minus 2h minus 4k plus 9 is 0. Multiplying by minus 2h plus 4k minus 9 is 0. Therefore, the locus of h comma k is 2x plus 4y minus 9 is equal to 0. The locus of x comma y, 2x plus 4y minus 9. Intersect orthogonally means d square is equal to r1 square plus r2 square. What is r1, what is r2 and what about the values? Just simplification follows your answer. Then you see it is from your material, your option 1 follows. That is your answer. Coming to the next. All of you read the material yourself. Here, problem numbers 5, 6 and 7. All are by verification. See, what is the first problem 5 I can explain. You do yourself, the remaining 2 as your homework. All by verification. Coming to problem 5. Circle is passing through 0, 0 and the center lies on x is equal to y and intersect orthogonally with the circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 10 is equal to 0. I am selecting, say, one of the option, say I am taking it is x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y is 0. It was passing through 0, 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0 and 0, so satisfied. Center is equal to minus g minus f, 1, 1. That means it lies on the line x is equal to y. Now verify the orthogonality. 2g g dash plus 2f f dash. 2, what is g? minus 2. What is g dash? Minus 1. 2f, 2 minus 3 minus 1. How much it is? 4 plus 6, 10. What is c plus c dash? 10 plus 0 is equal to 10. Therefore, it satisfies 2gg dash, 2ff dash is equal to c plus c dash. All the three conditions were satisfied by this particular option, then your answer should be option 3. Suppose if you are not satisfied by any one condition, go the next and next verification. You know all of you very well how to get verification. Same model you can do 6th and 7th yourself, 6th and 7th. Go to the next question, number 8. It's very, very important. Permutations and combinations. This is a question which is coming from permutations and combinations. Just you listen and you can get perfect idea in that chapter, permutations and combinations. See, there are n number of circles. N number of circles. He is saying that the number of radical axis is equal to number of radical centers. For forming a radical axis, we need 2 circles. And for forming a radical center, we need 3 circles. It's a very common property. Out of n circles, any 2 can be selected in NC2, number of combinations. Out of n circles, any 3 can be selected in NC3 ways. There is a direct formula, or we have to expand also. NC2 means n minus 1 by 2 into 1. NC3 means n minus 1, n minus 2 by 3 to 1. This n minus 1 n and 2 cancel. We are left with 1 is equal to n minus 2 by 3, 3 is equal to n minus 2, n is equal to. So there exists 5 number of circles. There is another method, NCR is equal to NCS, or NCR is equal to NCS implies either R is equal to S or N is equal to R plus S. By that formula also we can apply. That came from permutations and combination. 2 and 3 are different. We have that implies since 2 is not equal to 3, therefore N is equal to R plus S, N is equal to 2 plus 3, N is equal to 5. Just like that also we can do it. That is our next coming problem, an important and simple important problem number 8. Come to the next problem. 9th one is theoretical weight, it's an ortho center, you do yourself. And come to 10th question I am doing now. 10th question. If the radical center of the circles is the given circles, S is x square plus y square minus 4x plus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. S dash is x square plus y square minus x plus 4y plus 4 is equal to 0. S double dash is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 5y plus 7 is 0. And the radical center is minus 1, 1. Find the value of g. Read the data yourself. Given 3 circles and radical center was given, find the unknown value. You know radical center is nothing but the point of concurrency of radical axis. I am taking the radical axis S dash minus S double dash. See what is that? Minus 1 minus 2g into x. 4 minus 5 means minus y. 4 minus 7. This is the answer. This is your radical axis. But you know the radical center belongs to the radical axis. Apply minus 1 comma 1. So minus 1 minus 2g into minus 1 minus 1 minus 3 0. See the cancellation. 1 plus 2g minus 4 is 0. 2g is equal to 3 value. Then g is equal to 3 by 2. Check what is the option follows. G is equal to 3 by 2. So your answer is option 4. Find the radical axis and apply the radical center. You get the value of G. That is our 10th question. See all of you question number 11 and 12. One model. 11, 12. They are same model. I can tell you 11 and I can give you 12th one as your homework. The given line is 11th one. The given line is 2x plus 3y minus 1 is 0. And the given circle is x square plus y square minus. There is a given circle and the line is intersecting at different points, say A and B. Then find the equation of circle with AB as diameter. We need the circle equation with AB as diameter. This is the center. Find the equation of circle with AB as diameter. We know what is the equation of circle coming to the solution. Equation of circle passing through the intersection of S and L is S plus lambda L is 0. You have seen these models in your IP also. What is S plus lambda L? X square plus y square minus 4 plus lambda times 2x plus 3y minus 1 is 0. Convert this into the standard form. What is this? X square plus y square minus 4 plus 2 lambda x plus 3 lambda y minus 1 0. Minus lambda is equal to 0. Minus lambda this is. Write down this standard conversion in the order x square plus y square plus 2 lambda x plus 3 lambda y minus 4 minus lambda is 0. He is asking for the circle equation. Into this form, then find the constant. Actually, this is the equation of circle, but we need the lambda value. For that given, he is saying that this one acting as the diameter. That means center of the circle lies on the line AB. What is the center of this circle? Center minus G minus F. What is minus G minus F? Minus lambda minus 3 lambda by 2. Minus lambda minus 3 lambda by 2. Center belongs to the line AB. What is the line AB was given? 2x plus 3y. 2x plus 3y minus 1 is 0. So minus lambda minus 3 lambda by 2 lies on the line, belongs to the line. Apply. Minus 2 lambda minus 9 lambda by 2. Check whether we have done correct or not. Minus 2 lambda, 3 is 9 lambda. Throughout minus, I am doing cancellation of minus. Multiplying by 2, 4 lambda plus 9 lambda plus 2 is 0. That is 13 lambda minus plus 2, 0. So lambda is equal to minus 2 by 13. Apply that in this equation, we get what is the equation of circle. Write down the equation of circle. What is the equation? X square plus y square minus 2 lambda. That means minus 4x by 13. 4x by 13. And what about y? Reduce minus 6 y by 13. See, minus 4 plus 2 by 13, minus 4 plus 2 by 13, minus 50 by 13. This is a minus 50 by 13 is equal to 0. This is your final answer. But he is not asking that conclusion. He is asking very simple number. And given it was in the form x square, y square, 2gx, 2fy plus c. What is the value of c he is asking? From that, the value of c is minus 50 by 13. And note that from your material, it should be your option number 4. So, problem 11 and 12 exactly same. Find the equation of circle which was passing through the line of intersection of L and S plus lambda L 0. Standard conversion. Note that this circle must have that AB as a diameter. So, center lies on the diameter possibility you know. Center applying the center on the line and simplify you get some value for lambda. When applying the value of lambda you get the value of what is the circle. This is the equation of circle with values and but not asking this completely, asking only the constant. The value of constant is minus 50 by 13. And note that exactly the same model you have to do yourself this 12th question as your homework. Coming to the next problem. See all of you, this next problem number 13, 14 are same model, 15 also we have already finished, 13, 14, 15 already finished model and 13 and 14 both are, this is very simple, I am doing a different model question this. You do this yourself as homework and this also as your homework. 16 already we have finished. 16 at the beginning we have finished. Coming to problem 14. Given there are two circles, they are describing like that. Given there are two circles, circle 1, circle 2. And automatically you must have there is a common line. This is known as common chord. Now he is asking for find the equation of circle which is described as common chord as diameter. We want this circle equation. Note that it has a diameter means center lies on this. It's nothing but almost the same as that of your just now previous model. The difference is two circles was given here and compared with the previous. What are the given circles? Say 14. S is equal to x square plus y square plus 2x is equal to 0. X square plus y square. And what is S dash? X square plus y square plus 2y is 0. X square y square plus 2x, x square y square plus 2y. Find the radical axis. The line 0 and 0, x minus 0 minus y is equal to 0. I have done cancellation of scalar 2. Now the required equation of circle S plus lambda L 0. You have a big question mark. Which S we have to operate? Either this or this, there is no change. Apply that x square plus y square plus 2x lambda into x minus y. X square plus y square 2x plus lambda x minus x square plus y square plus x 2 plus lambda minus lambda y is 0. Note that this is the circle but it has the diameter is the same line. So find what is the center here, minus g minus f. This is minus of 2 plus lambda by 2 comma lambda by 2. Center lies on x minus y 0 or x is equal to y. Apply it follows that what is that x is equal to y follows minus of 2 plus lambda by 2 is equal to 2 and 2 cancel. Minus 2 minus lambda is, that implies 2 lambda is equal to minus 1. Therefore, the required circle is, required equation of circle is x square y square plus x square plus y square plus 2 minus 1, that means x, and that is plus 1y is equal to 0. You see whether you have done correctly or wrong. Same model, you know, all of you we have done already. Say option 3 follows your conclusion. Option 3 from your material. Instead of direct s plus lambda l given 2 circle, you have to write the lambda line equation, write s plus lambda l and apply the simplification. What is the center of the circle? As this radical axis means common chord here, sometimes common tangent, it was acting as a diameter. So that is nothing but center lies on the diameter. You get some value for lambda, then the equation of circle follows. Same as 13, 14, 15, same. Already 16 we have done. So you do this already I have done. This is your homework. This is your homework. Finished problems. Coming to the next. All of you must read 17th question. Nothing to explain here except a drawing of diagram. The given one circle is x square plus y square is equal to a square. And the given another circle is x minus c whole square plus y square is equal to b square. These are two intersecting circles. I took these are the intersecting circles. This is a circle with the center as a 0, 0. And this is another center. That is the center, say C comma 0. And you take this is some the another point and frame this triangle. Here you frame the triangle. You take this is A and this is B and this is C. Given small a, small b, small c are length of BC, small a, length of CA, small b, and this length is total length is small c. Then find the length of common chord. He is asking for, this is the common chord, you know. This total length he is asking. Given another data, P1, P2, P3 are length of altitudes from A, P1, from B and from C. These are the length of altitudes. This is nothing but P3, length of altitude. No need of writing P1, P2, that's why I have not mentioned. Only P3 is enough. Why? Because of we need this. So, length of chord, length of common chord is equal to 2 times P3. 2 times P3. As this part is P3, you know this part is also P3. 2 P3. This is your answer and check yourself. That is from option 3. 2 P3. Next. The next coming question 18 was related to maxima and minima. I am not doing. You do yourself, try yourself. And the 19th, very simple problem. Read 19th question, all of you. And also important it was. Read 19. AC and BC are the centers of two circles with the radical axis as y-axis. Radius of the first circle is R. Center 1 is AC. Center 2 is BC. This radius R1 is R. This radius R2 is a question mark. A radical axis is nothing but y-axis. That means x is equal to 0. Find the diameter of the second circle. 2r2 as a big question mark. Now write down the equation of circle. Any doubt you have the data, you read your question number 19 of level 2 before doing the solution. You have that already in your material, in your system as PDF format. The equation of circle, x minus a whole square, y minus c whole square, r square. Say yes, this is x square plus y square minus 2ax minus 2cy, a square plus c square minus plus a square plus c square minus r square. This is the first one, equation yes. And what about another one? S dash, BC and radius 2. We don't have the radius 2. It was given r. Radius 2 you take r2. R2 as r2 itself you take. Now the equation S dash, x minus b whole square plus y minus c whole square r2 square. We don't know this r2, we have to write it. This is x square plus y square minus 2bx minus 2cy plus b square plus c square minus plus b square plus c square minus 2r2 square. This is s and this is s dash. Write down the radical axis. What is the radical axis? S minus s dash. Tell me what is s minus s dash? X square, y square cancel. Minus 2a plus 2b into x. Minus 2a plus 2b times x. And y's 2cy cancel. A square, c square, r square plus a square, c square, r square. Minus of this. Minus b square minus c square minus b square minus c square minus this is r2 square. How it is 2r2 square minus r2 square minus r2 square. That means it become plus r2 square is equal to 0. Here some cancellation follows. Then it follows that minus 2a plus 2b into x plus a square plus c square, c square cancel. C square minus r square. The c square cancel. A square minus b square minus r square plus r2 square is 0. Minus r square plus r2 square, right. But given this radical axis is y-axis, that means x should be 0. Radical axis is x is equal to 0. Implies this becomes 0. A square minus b square minus r square plus r2 square 0. That implies we want r2 square. That is r square plus b square minus a square. R square plus b square minus a square. Write down r value. So r2 is under root of r square minus a square plus b square. But he is asking for 2r2. It follows 2r2. The diameter of the second circle is 2 root of r square minus a square plus b square. R square minus a square plus b square. You see from your material, that is your option 4. Option 4. Of course, while seeing this, you may feel that they are lengthy problems. These are all JEE Mains level 2 problems. Naturally, they are little bit tough questions. Consider the given data, circle 1, circle 2, radius 1 given, radius 2 is unknown, radical axis was given, x is equal to 0, write down equation of s dash, radical axis and apply x equal to 0, just automatically you get your corresponding radius as well as diameter of the second circle. Come to the next problem. And see the next question. 20. This is also an important question. B and C are any 2 points on the circle, x square plus y square equal to a square. You take this is x square plus y square equal to a square. I am taking this is B. I am taking this is A is a point, so I feel this is A, BC lies on the circle which is in such a way that AB and AC are D. This length is D and this length also D. Then find the equation to the locus of BC. Find the equation of BC. Equation of BC is question mark. BC is nothing but a locus line. Now let us consider a circle with A as center and D is the radius. D is radius means it also up to this it was extended, and frame the circle equation should be like this and it should be like this circle. Now here this is also of length D units. Now what is the equation of one circle? The given circle equation is x square plus y square minus a square is 0. I am writing s dash. S dash we are framing with this A as center and D. D is the radius. So equation of s dash is x minus b whole square plus y minus c whole square is d square. Let us simplify. X square plus y square minus 2bx 2cy plus b square plus c square minus d square is 0. Write on the radical axis, we need that particular. What is the radical axis? S minus s dash. X square y square cancel. What is the remaining? 0 minus of minus 2bx, 0 minus of minus 2cy, 2bx plus 2cy. What is the right hand side? This is minus a square plus, minus of this, minus b square, minus c square, minus d square, minus plus. What is the value of b square plus c square? Since b square plus c square is nothing but a square. You have how it is b square plus c square equal to a square. BC is nothing but a point that lies on this first circle. What is that first circle? B square plus c square equal to a square. Use that property, b square plus c square equal to a square. Then this is nothing but 2 into bx plus cy minus a square minus 2a square plus d square is 0. Or you may write it as in the standard form as per the option bx plus cy is equal to 2a square minus d square. So one very important from your material, you see this is nothing but your option 4. Recall the question again. Given there is a circle, this is the circle. B and C are the 2 points and A is equal to B comma C is another point, so that given condition is AB is equal to AC is equal to D. AB and AC D. We need the locus of BC, the line BC. Construct a circle with the center is A and the radius is D. Now automatically they becomes intersecting circles. Circle 1, we need circle 2, you know how to write. Write on the radical axis. This is your conclusion. Here, use the value of b square plus c square equal to a square. Now coming to the next problem, that is our last question, and you do yourself. It's nothing but very simple property of orthogonality and touching. Apply C1, C2 is equal to R1 plus R2 and 2G dash plus 2F F dash is equal to C plus C dash. Very well, you have done so many times these models, so you can do yourself that in your homework. Note that I think you feel very happy after completion of your present topic, and I hope you can understood well. You got any doubt, you can make a call directly to me. So in this session, what we have finished, level 1, level 2, we have 2 levels. Level 1, 2 exercises, level 2, 2 exercises. Level 1, first exercise, classwork, completely I have finished. Level 2, first exercise, completely I have finished. The level 1 second, level 2 second, you know very well, that is your classwork. You do, and the same models follows. I hope you can do yourself. Be prepared for the next 1 week or 10 days completely this system of circle chapter follows. Thank you.